My 2010 Mercedes has a very soggy looking like center console, and let me show that to you. As you can see, it kind of starts to wave in, so it's not flat. Apparently this is a common issue for S550s. I'm going to try to repair this myself, and I read a forum where it's as simple as a heat gun and some cold iced water and a rag. So apparently you have to apply the heat gun, apply some heat to the center console, and then damp it with the cold rag. Because I've been contemplating about replacing or reupholstering the center console, and if I can get away with just this simple 30-minute fix, I'm definitely in it. Back and forth in circular motion, and then apply cold water with a damp rag. I have some ice and have water, and then we'll just fold this out, get that electrical cord out of the way. Okay, let's give it a shot. And again, it's about 1.5 inches away, and they say that it'll look worse before it looks better, but the leather will definitely be replaced in case this does not work. It's getting a little warm in here. I told my father about this procedure, and he's like, there's no way in heck it's gonna work. You're gonna burn it all off. And I said, well, I've been thinking about replacing it anyway, which will cost maybe about $150 or so. Yeah, you can tell that it's separating, but it's supposed to tighten up once we apply the rag with the cold water. Okay, put that down. Now it's definitely smoking. Yeah. Smells a little strange. Oh. It's because the smoking. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is a big difference already. Questioning if I should do it again or not. Why not? Yep, it's coming apart again, which is okay. Really focus on the corners. Try to put it upwards. Oh, that was hot. Definitely not like new, but it has a little ridge right there. Not too shabby. I might do it a few more times, but we're getting there for sure. And don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll continue making these videos. I buy and sell cars, repair them if they need them, and I'll take you along for the journey with me. Like I said, give me a like, subscribe, and there'll be a lot more repairs and reviews coming up.